Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by setting the bevel and confirming the metal is clean. This is the foundation. Use a 400-1000 grit stone for most dull edges and a marker to highlight the bevel so you can see progress. Hold the knife at a steady 15 degrees or 20 degrees depending on the knife, and anchor the stone with one hand. Once positioned, make slow, controlled strokes away from the edge. Maintain angle and even pressure so you remove metal uniformly and create an even bevel. You continue by sharpening with consistent, measured strokes. 10 to 15 per side is a good rhythm. Whether you push or pull, the goal is symmetry. Match strokes side to side so the apex centers. Once you see a burr along the edge, stop and switch sides. The burr tells you metal has been transferred and the bevel formed. After removing the burr, move to finer stones, 2000 up to 6000 grit, to refine and reduce microserrations, which raises sharpness and durability. You finish by stropping and testing the edge so it performs reliably. Use a leather strop with light pressure, 15 to 30 pulls per side, to align the apex and remove remaining microburrs. Test on paper or by shaving soft hair. If it slices cleanly, you're done. If you find a persistent burr or an uneven edge, go back to the coarser stone and reset the bevel with deliberate matched strokes, then repeat the progression to fine grits. Make sure to clean and lightly oil the blade to prevent corrosion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.